said this before and I'm going to say it again. Stop singing with throat tension and closed throat. When you sing with throat tension and closed throat, you will begin to sound like it is not you. And that is why you say you can't sing, because you are having throat tension, you are having closed throat, your throat is closed, this space that is supposed to be open to allow the sound come out beautifully, escape from the vocal folds, is not really that open, and it's allowing it to come out well. And your tongue is not relaxed. But once you are able to relax your tongue and open that throat space, you will see that your sound will begin to sound much more better. One of my students used to have that challenge every time. When she sings, she would feel a lot of pains around her throat area. She would not sound well, according to her. And she just needed just one class with us, and everything changed. What was that thing that changed? What changed was that she just opened her throat, sang with an open throat, and relaxed tongue. And one trick that I shared with her on how to do that is for you to think, imagine that you don't have a tongue or you don't have a throat. And then you imagine that you can throw an egg into that throat space, and then you sing.